Welcome to today's English lesson with Ayla. Today, we will practice ordering food and drinks at a coffee shop. Listen carefully to this short dialogue. Barista. Good morning. Welcome to Star Cafe. What can I get for you today? Customer. Hi. Good morning. I would like a large iced latte, please. Barista. Sure thing. Would you like whole milk, oat milk, or almond milk? Customer. Oat milk, please. Also, could I get a blueberry muffin? Barista. Absolutely. Will that be for here or to go? Customer. To go, please. How much is that? Barista. That comes to $7.50. Customer. Here you go. Thank you. Barista. Thanks. Have a wonderful day. Key vocabulary to remember. 1. To go means taking your food or drink outside the restaurant. 2. Sure thing is an informal way to say, of course, or, you are welcome. Keep practicing every day and see you in the next lesson.